Well, I guess we just pack up everything. Yeah. So, yeah, this is like a first time going on the vacation. Yeah, you said it. Yeah, but we'll wait until the others comes. But who's coming? You'll see, Yellowbird. You'll see. Alright, listen, guys. I am going on the vacation because I felt like going there for the first time. But I'll tell you who will be charged to be a sensei. The Okay, I'll choose. It's you. What? Haha! In your face! In your face, minion! But I'm really good at karate. Well, too bad, because I am. Oh, alright. I have to go. Ow. Oh, hey, monkey. Hi. I'm just come here on vacation with you because, like, we're just heading to the airplane, and I just like to go see in the sky, and outside the plane. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, it'll just it'll be a great trip. Yeah, I know that. Anyways, I'll sit right there and wait for the others. Uh, do you want to come with us, Mumbo? Sure. I just want to go on the vacation. Oh well. Come on. Let's go on our vacation with Redbird. Good idea. Oh, hey guys. Hey, I'm just come here on vacation. Oh, that's good. Besides, is Mumbles coming with us? Yeah, I am. Oh, good. This is like the first time we seen you, three of you guys are going on our vacation. Uh huh. I'll just rate. Well, it's our first time. Alright. Oh, folk. Hey. Hey, Robert. Oh, hi. Blackbird, you're coming with us? Yeah. I just felt like going on vacation with Black Yoshi. Yeah. Yeah. Because, if I see some enemies on the plane, I'll just go boom! Boom! Yeah, folk. If anyone touch my gun, I'll just shoot them. Like, well, folk. Alright. No one touch my gun, folk. Alright. We only have two last people to go on vacation. And these two person is... Haha! Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh, Mario and Pac-Man. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Okay, I got nothing to say. Yep, I'm just here. They're going on the vacation. But, oh well. Come on, Pac-Man. It's like the first time going there. I hope there's some fruits here, because I felt like kind of hungry in with my stomach. Alright. Well, we are glad that you're in part of a Smash Brothers game. Yeah, I know. Alright guys, instead we're taking the bag. Let's take to the back. Let's take to the backpack instead. Oh, folk, why can't we just go in the bag? That's because, like, airports have a scanner in it, and later on we'll be just like stuck here inside that inside the luggage. You know where they put some luggage inside the plane? Oh, I see. We're gonna trap in there. Folk, if that monkey farts, I'll be getting out of here. Hey, I've been eating some burritos last night. That's disgusting, folk. Oh, come on. Guys, get in the bag.
Hey, it's so comfy in there. Yellowbird, your butt is in my face. Well, too bad. I can't even breathe.
Mario, how are you supposed to get in? Let me go see. I'll probably get in this one. Maybe I'll go fit in there. Alright, it's up to you. Alright, let's do this. You're in my way. Oh. And I'll just probably try something else. I'll probably try another one. Alright, let me get in. Yeah. It's so very hard to fit in there with you guys. Alright, I'm in now. Okay. Yeah, alright. Looks like everyone's ready. Alright, guys. We're ready. Let's to our vacation. Alright, let's let me close it. This is gonna take a while. Alright.
Come on. I'm trying.
Yeah. I think I'll just close it later. We're in the freeway. Where did you come from, Mario?
Just zoom out. Zoom out here.
Well, you see this.
Look at the route.
This place.
Route.
I got squished, so I decided to teleport in there. Oh. Huh?
Which one?
Wait. Where did you three come from?
We snug in. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, Robert. Because we just snugging in the car, so you guys wouldn't notice that we just heard you were coming on the vacation. Yeah, I know.
God, why am I upside down? I'm just fooling around. Well, there's nothing to do. Well, I guess you three are coming.
Thanks, Robert.
You're welcome. Hope we get there time soon.
So I need to get out of the car.
Folk. Horseburg.
Yeah. What is it?
There's gonna be there's a lot of traffic on the other side.
Oh my god, that is a lot.
Yeah, folk, tell me about it. Well, at least this side wasn't that much. Hopefully. If we're heading back in there, we'll be just stuck. Even it's gonna take forever.
Yeah.
Because I'm getting out of here because I gotta go run like a road runner. I'll be like beep beep.
Oh wow, Roadrunner.
Wow. I think there's gonna be a lot of traffic.
And he has a handicap sign.
Yeah. This is not good. Not good.